Across the Idaho division of motor vehicles, teams manage complex systems, high volumes of data, and growing expectations for speed and accuracy. Behind the scenes, that work depends on people processing thousands of documents, decisions, and transactions every day. To support that work, the DMV is beginning to use artificial intelligence not as a replacement for staff, but as a practical tool to help people do their jobs better and better serve Idahoans. When AI first entered the conversation, it came with a lot of noise, and not everyone was convinced.
There was a lot of hype to AI, so I wasn't sure that I was believing all the hype that was taking place. It wasn't until I got to experience it, use it on a day-to-day basis, and kind of dive into it that I realized what the value and what the benefit of it was.
Rather than chasing trends, the question became simple. Where could AI actually make a difference in day-to-day work?
I didn't know how in the DMV it would actually help us a lot. When we got more into automation and document intelligence and the other tools that we can use to help us, that's where I get excited. And now the possibilities are endless.
To move forward, the DMV chose to start small with a proof of concept that focused on a real, time-consuming task.
The very first project that we did, which was sort of our proof of concept for doing it at all, was a document intelligence, scan documents, pull the data out of it, and put it into an Excel spreadsheet in order to do a cost analysis. It probably saved, for a month, probably at least 10 to 15 hours a month when they were reconciling those invoices.
It wasn't flashy, but it worked, and it showed what was possible when AI was applied thoughtfully. Speed alone isn't enough. At the DMV, accuracy and accountability matter just as much. That's why AI is designed to support employees, not replace their judgment.
Notice of suspension, we call it ALS-NOS, and it's a document intelligence where we get out-of-state convictions and we run them through a scanner. The AI takes the information, lifts it off the page, if you will, puts it into a form, and then it gives us a scoring of how accurate each field is. And so now the agent, instead of keying in multiple documents, now the AI is doing that for us, and it only requires the human to look at the elements that may not be 100% accurate, and the AI is saying, hey, we need a human intelligence to look at this.
AI handles the volume. People make the decisions. As confidence grew, so did the opportunity to use AI in new ways, especially to support frontline employees.
We're getting close to deploying that where our agents will have access at their fingertip to be able to ask the AI tool and to be able to get an accurate response back. So we're hoping to see less call transfers, quicker turnaround times for ending a call and serving the customer in the long run.
The technology will continue to evolve, but the focus remains the same: people first.
You can't take these types of tools away from us at this point because now they're so integrated in what we are doing, and the ability for us to do more in the future, it's here to stay.
At the DMV, AI isn't about hype or headlines. It's about using the right tools in the right way to support the people who keep Idaho moving.